dash in area. Now what is a cuboid? We have studied it in earlier first video of this chapter, but again I'll repeat. So here the difference between cube and cuboid is, in cube all the sides are equal, right? But in cuboid the opposite sides are means opposite faces are rectangles. In cube all the faces are squares, right? That's why in cuboid all the faces are not equal to each other, but opposite faces are equal to each other because they are rectangles. Okay, so opposite faces of cuboid have equal surface area. Next, if a diagonal D of a quadrilateral is doubled and the heights h1 and h2 falling on D are halved, then the area of the new quadrilateral is, means what? See, this is any quadrilateral. We don't know what it is. It can be a square, rectangle, trapezium, anything. We don't know. So, any quadrilateral. What is given is, this is the diagonal D, and these are the heights falling on that diagonal. Falling means what? They'll start from the opposite vertex and fall on D, and this will be 90 degrees. Similarly, this will be 90 degrees. Let's say these are H1 and H2. Okay, and these are two parts. First is upper triangle, second is lower triangle B. Okay, now what we are doing is we are doubling this diagonal. This D is made as 2D. That's what is the question. And these heights are made as h1 by 2 and h2 by 2. They are halved, right? That's what the question says. See this. Diagonal is doubled and heights are halved, right? Then the new area we require. See, area of the original quadrilateral. Now you don't have any formula for this quadrilateral finding the area. Why? Because we don't know the quadrilateral what it is. That's why no formula. We'll break this into two triangles A and B. So area of quadrilateral original equals to area of triangle A plus area of triangle B, right? This area plus this area. So what are these areas? 1 upon 2 into H1. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.